Hi friends, it is lesson 46 where we are talking about multiplication and how division relates. I would encourage you to use a math fact chart as we get in kind of the groove of doing division. We're looking for missing factors. We're also looking for, we have our products. So this is really very helpful for you. Let's begin. 12 divided by 2 is we can put it in 6 groups. So I want you to do this and then pause. Pause first, then do it, and then come back and see if your answers are correct with me. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 30 divided by 5, divided into 5 is 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 48 divided by 8 is 6. And 36 divided by 9 is 4. As you can see, it's really important that you understand your math facts. It makes things so much easier. Until then, I encourage you to use your chart, and I wish you well on the homework.